How to get Roblox Studio on mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first, let's go to the Play Store application and check for the availability of Roblox Studio. So just go for Roblox Studio. And as you can see, there's no option as such available for us. So what we're going to do is go through Google Chrome, and on the search bar, we're just going to search for Roblox. And after that, we'll be led to the Roblox application or Roblox website over here. Now make sure that you're logged in. We'll be able to see different options over here. And as you scroll down, you can see the option of Get Roblox Studio download option. So just tap on download and it will give you Roblox Studio setup. Tap on start creating. You can just tap on download studio and it will be downloaded on your home screen. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.